hello to all my friends out there. So it's super hot here. I'm here in San Diego. I hope everyone's doing fine who's around Storm Doreen and Florida. That is scary. So, okay, you guys see I've been doing a lot of cooking. Hey, you guys, those waffles were good. I would like to challenge you guys to a waffle thing. You know, if you have any good waffle stuff, that'd be great. Waffles and eggs. You know that one waffle I did was actually a comment from Henzo. Hi, Henzo. I saw you made a comment on my top ramen. Those were great. Oh, I'll be posting all those top ramen recipes on my Twitter. But I want to make sure I get them all on there. Those are really good. I couldn't believe it, and they were all different. And thank you for everyone who left one. And if you guys have any top ramen recipes, easy, that'd be great too. Yesterday, that cheesy top ramen was really good. I might be doing some more top ramen stuff. So, okay, so welcome to all the new subscribers. I have 344 new subscribers last month. Welcome to everyone. If you're new, say hi. A couple of you did say hi. Okay, so today I'm working, and what I'm doing is I'm going to the thrift store and I'm looking for luxury items. Okay, when selling is slow, that's the time to be buying. So I will be looking, some of the things I will be looking for is luxury scarves. You know, if you get good scarves, really good scarves, those will last you for a lifetime. So I'm always looking for those, and I try them on sometimes, and I take pictures of myself in them. And guess how many I've sold? None. Okay, purses. I'm always looking for luxury purses. If I can find them at a good price. They have to be at a good price. One of the brands that I love is Max of New York. I buy those because I just like to use those. And I wear them until they are shot. I can use one for like 3-5 years. I love them. So I'm always looking for watches. I'm always looking for nice watches, practically new watches. One time recently I bought quite a few watches at the swap meet, and the guy had been buying up storages. And I also buy FBI pins, pens. The $5 for 3 days food will continue. The old-fashioned cooking is going to continue, and the low-carb diet is scrapped. Because I felt awful. I mean, that diet works, but, am I willing to feel awful for even one day? No. So what I will do is just drastically cut the sugar, and then, I bought a bag yesterday of small potatoes, really small ones, about this big. So I will just have on my low carb days coming up again tomorrow, I will just have like a meat, a small potato, not no carb. That makes me feel rotten. And a meat of some sort. I don't know. Something, no drastic dieting. And the walking will continue. So hi to everyone. And I will be back. And I don't know what in the hell I'm going to do today. I didn't know I was going to do that yesterday. That was crazy. I want to encourage you guys to consider the waffles. Those waffles are really, really easy to make. And also, if you do this $5 a day challenge, food challenge is $5 for 3 days food. You're only spending $5. And you can do your $5 for 3 days in a food storage way. That way, I don't need food. But what happens is I'm getting better and better at finding food cheap. I noticed a big improvement on the $5 food I bought yesterday, as opposed to the ones I did at the beginning. So if any of you have any $5 for 3-day food ideas, those would be greatly appreciated. A lot of times, just by being really careful with your resources, you can really maximize your money. And another thing is, when the selling is sluggish, like now, is the time to be buying. But you have to be careful because possible recession coming. Usually, if you look into the past, I remember one time, I was maybe about 19 years old, and I was in college in Utah. And the teacher, was trying to talk to us about the recession and stuff. So they've been going on, and I'm 63. They come about every 10 years. I don't think it's been 10 years since the real estate crash, has it? But if it has, it's about that time again. That one was a Lulu, though, because some of the people lost, out here, about 50% of the equity in their houses. So, okay, I will be back, and I will tell you if I find any. For the rest of the year, what I'm going to be doing is just buying luxury items. I'm not going to be selling much, except for I'm going to be dumping stuff at the swap meet, and I will show you. And if you would like to see some of my luxury items, go to Rhode, RHODSTON-0, and I have some of my luxury items on my Instagram. And you are all invited to subscribe to my Instagram and my Twitter. Just go to Rhoda Stone Twitter. All the recipes are on the Twitter, pretty much. And if you like the video, I would like to ask you for a like. And if you have a comment of anything, just say hi. If I like to know where everyone's from. Hi to Florida. Hi to New York. I have a lot of followers in the South. Hi to England. And if you would like to subscribe to the Crazy Cheap family, that would be great. And if you do subscribe, keep an eye on the awesome comments. Last night when I was going through those comments, I said, this is unbelievable. Okay, you guys, God bless you all. And I'm praying for all you guys in the storms. That is scary.